Hello and welcome to a special Process Love Candy. My name is Mark Sheard and this is my 30-second expression drawing challenge. I hope you can join me, whether you're drawing in Photoshop, Procreate or on a pencil on paper. I highly recommend you don't bother using an eraser, you're not going to have the time for that, so just keep your hand on the pen. It's always good to be drawing in ink, something nice, strong and bold. These images are going to come much quicker than you expect, so get ready and have fun and try to keep up. Without any ado, let's get into it. Now this handsome devil here really needs a haircut. I'm going to be drawing using a 6B pencil in Procreate, but you can draw using whatever you want. Starting here with that bean-shaped head, get that smile happening. Drawing lines to just represent where the beard goes. Not going to bother too much with that nose. Let's get that eyes in. I've only got 10 seconds left. Whoa, I better move fast. Well, this is going to be harder than I thought. Wowzers, not long at all. Get that ear in, and there's my 30 seconds done. Whoa, how did you go on your first one? I hope you were ready for it. Let's get ready for another one. What's the next expression going to be? Oh, pain. Okay, let's get this angle happening. Another bean-shaped head. That's going to be my center. Sometimes on a gesture drawing, you don't even need to worry about that center line. You just get going, and whatever comes out, comes out. Sometimes it's going to look a bit wonky, but who cares? It's all kind of part of the fun and expression and getting all that in. Oh, let's get that little mouth. That's important to do. So a few simple lines for the beard, an overall shape. And get that hair happening. Oh, and I'm out of time already. Oh, cheat. Just finish up that little bit there. Get those shoulders up. Oh well, that's fun. There's no rules here. Whoop, oh, here we go. Here comes the next one already. Okay, what have we got? Oh, curious. Okay, let's get those eyebrows going. There's an eye direction happening. And what's going on with that mouth there? Not sure. We're just drawing shapes here, so you kind of tend to not worry about colouring in things because you're not going to have time for that. Each of these drawings are going to be coloured in afterwards, so when you notice once the drawing's finished, the little bit of colour that I'm splashing on there, I'm doing that in post. Oh, and I'm out of time again. Oh, too tough. Alright, time to get ready for the next one. That was a fun one. Alright, here we go. This is a big laugh. Let's get this shape down. I'm going to push the angle, get those nostrils in, those eyebrows, and eyes, squidgy eyes, all squishing in there. Get that mouth down. Pushing that mouth a bit more. Running out of time so quick on this one. I'm cheating the end of it just so I can get that done, and there we go. Oh, funny. How you guys going? Do you think these are too quick? If they are, let me know in the comments, and perhaps on my next video I'll do a 45-second challenge. How long do you think you need for it? Are you having to pause these? Are you having to pause this videos so you can get finished in time, or is this enough time? You let me know, and I'll readjust my next video to match accordingly. I hope you're having a bit of fun. Oh, this one's a bit sad. There we go. That was a good one. Enjoyed that one. Oh, 30 seconds is so quick though, isn't it? But when you get better at doing these 30-second drawings, then completing a full drawing will only be so much more better for it. Alright, let's get that whole shape in this time. Get that beard down, moustache. Really pushing that mouth from one side to the other. Get that nose in. Cross-eyed, and I'm out of time again. Oh, that one. That one didn't do. Crazy town. Okay. Ready. Set. Go. Oh, squish. Okay, let's get that nose happening. So what's he doing here? Oh, squishing that face up. Oh. Let's get those eyes going. What's going here? Gonna push that expression a little bit more. Running out of time. 2 seconds left. Get the hair in. And done. Shoot at the end there, but who cares? That looks fun! That was a good one. That was tough. Wow. This one, always tough doing a side when you've been doing so many 3/4 in front. I'm just going to get that main shape happening. That mustache goes over there a bit, and let's just get straight into that eye there. Put that here in. There we go. Not too bad. Alright, another weird one. Squishing down. This is really the bean-shaped head. Here we go. Get that beard. What's going on with that mouth? I'm not sure. Oh, I stuttered on that one. "23 seconds left. Oh, we get it in time. 29, 30, we're done. Ready? Let's go into our next pose. Thinking this one should be fun. Let's get that eye right up in there. I like the way that moustache pops out from the side of the face there. Why don't I finish off that other eye? Kind of important to do that. A little bit of hair there. I'd love to see what drawings you guys come up with when you do these. So feel free to shoot us a link, and I'll go check out your work. Oh, done already. Oh, that one. Let's shoot this and get that. That bus finished. There we go. All right. Smoke. Get that eye happening. This is kind of an evil look here, so we'll accentuate that a little bit more. Just a little gesture for the beard and where that is. Oh, 5 seconds left. Come on, quick, 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 quick. Speed up, Mark. Oh, there we go. Shoot the end. Voila. Oh, breathe, Mark. Oh. How are you all doing? What? Oh, blue steel. Okay, here we go. Let's get that. Oh, I think it's most important to get that mouth going first. You might have started somewhere else, but I'm starting down here. Let's get that chin happening. There's that nose. All right, now let's get those eyes. They're going to be hard. Oh, my blue steel's a bit cross-eyed. Whoops! Oh, there's my 30 seconds done. Oh, that's not so much blue steel. Oh, well. Oh, quick, next one. Here we go. Ready, what do we got next? A laugh, good one. Okay, let's get this one. Match my present state of being too. I hope everyone else is having fun with these. These are silly, exciting, and a bit crazy. Jeez, what am I going to do? It's really challenging. Like, if I told you this was a 30-second challenge, this is a full-on challenge. Oh, 5 seconds left. Okay, let's get that a little bit of hair in. And I think I'm pretty happy with that one too. There we go. Final drawing now. Into the last stretch. Bye-bye. Okay, let's get this going. Right. That beard happen. Up there. Oh, big white eyes. Cookie eyes. Ah, this one's a fun. I'm glad I'm finishing on such a good, strong, fun drawing. And there we go. Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. Here's a little montage of all my sketches that I've done in this session. That was tough work. I think next time I might have to make this a 45-second challenge. What do you reckon? Anyway, that was a lot of fun. I reckon I've pushed myself a lot there, and I hope you've pushed yourself as an artist too. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's been awesome playing with you, and I'll catch you on the flip side.